In this video, I will show you how to fix a computer that is stuck on the boot screen and not loading into Windows. If your PC freezes on the manufacturer logo, gets stuck on the Windows spinning circle, or shows a black screen without reaching the login screen, the cause is usually a boot error, corrupted update, driver issue, BIOS setting, USB device conflict, or storage problem. I'll guide you through safe, simple fixes you can do at home. Like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. First, let's start with doing a proper power reset. Turn your PC off completely. When it is fully off, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, unplug the power cable. If you are using a laptop with a removable battery, remove the battery too. Now, with everything disconnected, press and hold the power button again for 10 seconds. This helps clear any leftover electricity inside the system. Then reconnect the power cable, put the battery back if you removed it, and turn the PC on again. This step clears temporary motherboard or BIOS glitches and can fix a system that is frozen on the boot screen. Now let's disconnect all external devices. Remove every external device connected to your computer. This includes USB flash drives, external hard drives, printers, USB hubs, game controllers, and SD cards. Only keep the keyboard and mouse if they are needed. Once everything else is removed, restart the computer. Sometimes an external device can block the startup process and stop Windows from loading. Next, we need to check if your storage drive is detected in the BIOS. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS by pressing F2, F12, DEL, or ESC, depending on your system. Inside the BIOS, go to the storage section and check if your SSD or HDD is listed. If the drive is not showing, it could be a cable issue on a desktop or a possible drive failure. If the drive is listed there, then move to the next step. While you are in the BIOS, set the correct boot order. Go to the boot menu and make sure Windows Boot Manager or your main SSD or HDD is set as the first boot option. If network boot is enabled, disable it. After that, save the changes and restart the PC. If the wrong device is set as first boot, the system can stay stuck on the logo screen. Now, still inside the BIOS, load the default settings. Look for an option called Load Optimized Defaults or Load Setup Defaults. Select it, then save and exit, and can fix problems caused by incorrect settings or previous changes. If your computer still does not boot, we will force Windows into automatic repair mode. Turn on the PC, and when the logo appears, press and hold the power button to force it to shut down. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. After that, Windows should enter automatic repair and take you to the advanced startup screen. When you see advanced options, choose troubleshoot, then advanced options again, and select startup repair. Let it run. This tool tries to fix corrupted boot files and repair missing system files automatically. When it finishes, restart your PC and check if it loads normally. From the same advanced options screen, you can also try safe mode. Click on Startup Settings and then Restart. After the restart, press 4 on your keyboard to enter safe mode. If your PC starts in safe mode, uninstall any recent Windows update, remove any recently installed software, update or roll back your graphics driver, and disable startup programs. Many boot problems are caused by faulty updates or drivers. Another option in advanced options is System Restore. Select System Restore and choose a restore point from before the problem started. Follow the instructions to complete it. This will return your system settings to an earlier working state, and your personal files will remain safe. If you are using a desktop computer, check the RAM. Turn off the PC and unplug it from power. Open the side panel carefully and remove the RAM sticks. Gently clean the gold connectors with a dry cloth, then place the RAM back firmly into the slot. Close the case and turn the PC on again. RAM that is not seated properly can cause the system to freeze on the boot logo, while the desktop is turned off and unplugged. Also check the SATA cable that connects your hard drive to the motherboard. Make sure it is firmly connected on both ends. You can unplug it and plug it back in properly, but do not do any complex rewiring. A loose cable can stop the drive from communicating with the system. Finally, if you cannot enter the BIOS or the settings seem corrupted, you can clear the CMOS. Turn off the PC and unplug it. Remove the CMOS battery from the motherboard and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then put the battery back in and turn the system on. This resets the BIOS to factory settings and fixes configuration conflicts. And that's it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you fix your computer stuck on the boot screen without stress or confusion. Take your time with each step, and most of the time, one of these methods will solve the problem. If one of these solutions worked for you, Or if you still have a question about your system, leave it in the comments and let me know how it went.